Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application of the home screen with our finger. Then you'll see here widgets icon. So after that you'll see here all of the applications, what widgets you could add. For example, to add the widget, you should just click on it and now the widget is added automatically to your home screen. If you want to resize the widget, you should just hold it, and after that we could make it bigger or smaller. To move widget on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. And if you want to resize it remove it, you should just hold it and tap to remove icon, then click to remove widget to confirm your action. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.